Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. So today's tutorial is all about Yin Yoga, that too a flow that you can do during the morning. So before you are going to work or whenever you are waking up, you can do these stretches, you can do these asanas in your own practice to actually go within. So in today's tutorial, in today's session, we'll be utilizing the yoga block. So in case you don't have a block, no need to feel disappointed at all. So you can make use of a folded blanket, or if you want to stack pillows one over the other, or if you want to have cushions, even that is completely okay. So for today's session, we are going to begin from the lying down position, and we'll be placing the yoga block in the lowest position, in the lowest level. We all have to place the yoga block right under our sacrum. And you may straighten up your legs right now. Our body is completely relaxed. Today we'll set the intention for the entire day. So gently fold only the right leg, and you may wrap your palms around the right shin bone. Let's all set the intention for the entire day by focusing on any emotion, how you want to take the entire day. You may close your eyes to go deeper. Continue inhaling and exhaling in the asana. Whatever you focus on, it will just magnify. Our day will go very beautiful. Our day will go extremely beautiful. So feel the stretch around your pelvic region. Your upper back is fully rested on the floor. If the yoga block is uncomfortable for your spine, for your sacrum, you can even rest your body on a cushion or maybe on the floor. Whatever is convenient and comfortable for you. The idea is to just go slow with the morning flow of Yin Yoga. And you may slowly disengage. You may straighten up the right leg, and you may fold the left leg down. You may interlock your palms around your left shin bone. This is one of the best ways to recharge your body for the entire day. You are moving your body, yet you are still. Let's all take a normal long deep breath in this pose itself. And as you breathe out, let's come back to the present moment. And you may gently release your left leg, and you may take out the yoga block from under your spine, and you may turn onto the right side to simply come up. And let's all open up our legs now. So in this position itself, you may rest the yoga block on the right side, closer to the right knee, on the floor itself, and you may gently rest your forehead on the yoga block. You will start feeling the stretch on the right hamstring, and you can rest your arms around the yoga block or on the leg also, but the main idea is to simply drop the upper body on the yoga block. Completely surrender. Feel the stretch around your spine, around your hamstrings. You are going within with each inhalation and the exhalation. And slowly you may lift your upper body up, and you may take the yoga block and rest it on the left side. And you may gently drop your upper body down. Feel the lightness in your body. Let's all reconnect with ourselves by going slow. And taking the support of your palms, you may lift your body up and gently close the gap between the legs. And let's all turn and let's come in the tabletop position. And in this position itself, let your right arm simply thread inside the left arm. And you may place your left arm straight. Feel the stretch around your shoulders. Feel the stretch around your upper back, around your shoulder wings. If keeping your left arm is a little uncomfortable, you can rest your left forearm next to your body on the floor itself. Setting the intention is extremely important in the morning. Focus on how you want to feel throughout the day. After every pose, feel the impact of going slow. Feel the rebound. And slowly taking the support of your left palm, you may lift your body up and you may slowly thread the left arm inside the right arm. And you may straighten up the right arm in front of you. Let your knees simply press against the floor. Your body and the mind, everything is a deep rest. And taking the support of your left palm or the right palm, you may lift your body up to come back in the tabletop position, and you may take your body back and close the gap between the legs, and simply relax your head on the floor or on the yoga block. Let your hips be well rested on the heels. Continue inhaling and exhaling. Repose in yourself. And it is finally time to disengage. So taking the support of your palms, you may lift your upper body up and you may relax. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's session. I really hope that you have set the intention for the entire day, and you will be having a beautiful day, I'm sure. And keep practicing yoga and slow down for a while. Just relax, and we will see you in the next session. So just take care and namaste everyone.